No, you. Scaring me. Boop. No.
I can record the toe beans. You ain't gotta look at me like that.
He's a male. He's a very loving cat.
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little.
Encore et encore, et après tu vas vers mort et tu nous fais ton petit numéro.
Why do you hate me? 1, 2, 3, make your silly face go. Oh!
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ay, manigaw!
Can autumn.
What can I get for you?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Oh my god.
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
Lay it down.
What? Where did you come from?
Oh, darling.
No, I'm hard. No.
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh!
Dude. Okay, I got Show me your toe. What's the big deal? What are you hiding? I said no.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Can you show me your booty?
Why did you do that?
No. They are my chicken nuggets. No. Oh no!
Who's this?
The sun! Good Lord, lady!
Meow!
Okay, come on.
Pray or someone else is gonna pray.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Oh, she really stuck, dude.
Okay, you done shit.
You're scaring me. You're scared. Oh no.
It's gonna make it.
I love you perfect. I love you.
Yeah. Ripley.
Wee. Wee. Tito.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
Butter? Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
The cat got his fucking head stuck in the chair.
Thor. What?
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass.
Oh my.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
No, stop it.
No. I said no.